You tired of spending money on that sprayer to make it work properly? Getting PWM, recirculation and navigation so you won't get PMS, regurgitation and gesticulation? That shiny paint giving you a shiner? Well, lucky for you, it's drone derangement at Stan and Blade's Drone Emporium, so come on down. At Drone Emporium, we'll move you out of your big tank and put money in your bank. Ain't that right, Stan?
That's right, Blade.
We got savings galore throughout our store. We're overstocked and underinformed, so come on down for super deals. Ain't that right, Stan?
You tell 'em, Blade.
We got quad coppers, we got rubber stoppers, we got dry hoppers, we got doo-woppers. Ain't that right, Stan?
That's right, Blade.
Heck, we've even got licenses, so you're good to go. Ain't that right, Stan?
We do that, Blade?
No, we do. People ask us if it's legal to spray, and we're pretty sure it is. Ain't that right, Stan?
Actually, I'm not sure about that, Blade.
Want to know how much water to use? We figure the less you use, the more money you save. Ain't that right, Stan?
I'm not sure, Blade.
That's because of the rotary atomizers. They make that possible. Ain't that right, Stan?
Who you been talking to, Blade?
Use them for fungicides, herbicides, insecticides, slip and slides. People tell us they work great. Ain't that right, Stan?
Sure, Blade.
And we figure fine droplets are just fine. Ain't that right, Stan?
Coarse, fine, black, white, whatever you say, Blade.
So come on down to Stan and Blade's Drone Emporium. This week, buy one, buy two. Get one for the whole family. Why? Because they're cheap. Say goodbye to wheel tracks and hello to striping. Ain't that right, Stan?
I'm afraid so, Blade.
Oh, okay. Oh, I think we got that one. This better work. I don't want to go back to selling fridges again.